we got. Ah! Oh my goodness! Real nice. Now I can actually. Oh my god, and I can just sit in here. Oh my god!
It's a pretty cool setup, I ain't gonna lie, you know, it's pretty cool.
Guys, so I have a friend here. Her name's Azaya. She also does YouTube. I'll link her thing down below. And she watched my YouTube video and she told me, girl, you're watching, I love you. As you can tell, because I literally texted you and posted it on my Instagram story, and I'm just so happy. She gave me a treadmill because she watched my YouTube video and she saw that I wanted one. And she literally texted me and was like, hey, like, I have one, I don't use it, do you want it? She just gave it to me. Like, I was saving up to buy a treadmill because I want to buy a treadmill and I still need a chair because I use Henry's gaming chair. And I need to buy a printer. So there's a lot of things that you gotta buy. But literally, she just gave it to me. Like, that's mine for the free dizzle. What? I feel very blessed, very happy. I'm gonna be editing my vlogs now on my treadmill literally today, and tomorrow I'm gonna be doing them because I have to edit videos. Also, I don't think I've talked this whole vlog yet, but if you're enjoying my organization / cleaning my house, make sure you like and subscribe so I can reach to 700 subscribers this month, August. So yeah. Come on, girl, subscribe right now. Anyways, I'm just overjoyed, but I have to keep on cleaning. So, literally, Ms. Vacuum Girl is over there. She's been charged like 5 times already because she's died. Just kidding, she's only been charged once after I did downstairs. But we're gonna do rest of upstairs, my room, which is a mess, although I just cleaned it like 3 vlogs ago. My room, and then my restroom, and then that's it for cleaning. I'm so excited to be done. I'm so excited for my house to be clean. I love a clean house. Means a happy space, happy place. Also, you guys might see a lot of videos of me cleaning, and we're gonna see my office because this thing gets messy. Oh my god, look, I also got some storage. The ones I told you I took back, I just got a replacement for them, and they don't really make a sound anymore. So now I have this as storage. Oh look, this is it's off right now, but this is the little remote to like control it, whatever. I am so happy. This is my office now. Like, this has literally become my safe space, my happy space. And I'm gonna be vlogging here 24/7, I don't care. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was much needed to clean the house, and then honestly I wasn't too excited to film it because, you know, it's a lot of work, but I am so happy because my house is clean. Like right now I'm gonna go to bed in a clean room with a clean bed, and everything just feels so good. So thank you guys for watching, and if you enjoyed, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for my next video. Love y'all.